interviewed for this firm, and at the Super Day, one of the partners, he saw that I had my engagement ring on, and then he had asked me, okay, so when do you plan on having kids? And I was just astounded. I didn't know what to say. It was just like, it was just, yeah, it was like, you're gonna get questions like that, and even if you don't, it's on people's minds. So this is something that you have to take into consideration. And one of my and I think after that interview, I ended up with the offer, decided to decline it. And I think at that point, I went through a lot of doubt of like, should I pursue this at all? If this is on everyone's minds, I'm never going to get the opportunity. And then I talked to my mentor at work. I talked to one of the recruiters who eventually became a mentor